So in this we have three routers, three switches and PC. Between the switch and the PC we have a fast Ethernet connection, fast Ethernet. These are gigabyte connections, and this is a serial connection. लेकिन serial connection बनाने से पहले you need to first go here. ये जो है इस switch यहाँ पर है, इस switch को off करो पहले, and then you need to add this extra server over here. जब वो add किया, then you need to go back, switch it on, and then you'll go back off. फिर same इनके लिए भी करना, and then you can add the serial connection. And how will we configure the PC? इसके लिए it is this, इस वाले के लिए it is this, इस वाले के लिए it is this, इस वाले के लिए it's this, and इस वाले के लिए it's this. So अभी we'll configure this. To configure the routers we'll have 2 ports, 3 ports, 2 ports. Now we will configure the router ports. 1 port, 2 port, 1 2 3 1 2. And for serial 0/1/0/0/1. Okay. So we'll come to CLI. So now we'll type in only below that. So command is enable here, enter, and the next one is config, conf t. Now we are in the configuration mode. Okay. Config. We are in configuration mode, and now in configuration mode. First we want the this one. Then we will enter. Now we have selected the interface. Now here we have the IP address IP also. Okay, this command also complete command. ADD or address IP address. So ACD or 192.1. Address IP address 192.168.10.1. Then subject was 55.255.355.0. And the master was still this link is active, deactive. Okay, so once you click this last command, so that link will be activated. You know that message. Now here this link is up. Now serial name forward this one 8.0.0.1, but this is serial port. So now we enter a serial port. So this is then we'll add no SH. Now we'll go to the next port 0/1/0. Int is 0/1/0.
एस किसे डिसाइड किया?
आई थिंक सर वो सीरियल है ना,
लास्ट टाइम जी था।
वो गीगा था, वो गीगाबाइट कनेक्शन था ना। वो SH हो गया. So this was for this serial connection. ये लिए हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया देखना, एक्चुअली यहाँ से. So here we basically configured this router which had two ports, this port and this port. दिस पोर्ट के लिए हमने पहले किया था और फिर हमने इस पोर्ट के लिए किया जिसमें हमने यहाँ पर एस डाला, वहाँ पर हमने जी डाला था, ये देखो. So now we'll close this one and we come to router number 2. So we have a gigabit, we have 2 serials over here. Gigabit, 2 serials. CLI, and then we'll say no. And then we'll come here. Then enable. अब कैस कौन सा आपको है 0/0/1 0/0/1 क्योंकि हमारा ये है.
Fine. Sir, is still invalid.
हाँ
1 0 से
अच्छा तो अरे हमारा तुम्हारा अलग हो सकता है.
अच्छा कंफ्यूज.
int 0/0/g 0/0/1. अरे सर इतना हिला क्यों रहे हैं आप. IP address is 1. प्रणव आपको दिख सकता है ये सही हो गया. Then we have int इस वाले के लिए is 0/1/0 and IP No, ऐसे अब देखो ये ग्रीन हो गया. विंडो फॉर दिस वन int s -1 जो कि हमने यहाँ से लिखा. Since it is overlapping, we'll make it 20.0.0. No SH. Now it is not turned green because still configuring this router is left. So this is the code so far. So now we'll configure the third router manually. How will we do? So now we'll go over here. That is physical. So first, click on this router. 0/0/0/0/1/0. Okay. Click on the router and
go to the configuration and configuration setting here which cable you need to configure. Okay. See here. This is gigabit 0/0/0. So click this cable first and put the IP address. What IP address you want to give. So click on this gigabit 0/0/0. So click on this gigabit 0/0 and here just put the IP address. 19.168.12.1 and submit path automatically comes and see those who have used a clock cable. So clock cable is there one sync cable. Two types of cable. Serial cable was there. One is without clock and one is with clock. So if you use clock, then here you can add.
then you have to click over here.
Same command one is using. Same thing. First is interface. First command when you are going gigabit. So this command will come. Interface gigabit 0/0/0. When you are assigning IP address command is come and when you are clicking on the on button. So no second command. So this three command. Now the second cable. So the second port. So for second port is serial port. So see the serial port name. The serial port name is 0/1/0. So see serial 0/1/0. This is the cable serial 0/1/0. Go to this one and here it is. Okay, see here clock end is here. See clock end. This is the clock end. So by default is there. If you want, you can change the clock end also. So here I get it 20.0.0.2 and subject mask automatically came and here this one. That's it. Which one? 20.0.0.1.
This is the manual configuration. And this we can see now it is automatically done. Everything is green. Now we'll check by sending message from here to here and see it is successful. Recheck here to here, we can see it's successful. But if we try to send a message from here to here, it has failed. If we try to send it through different routers, it will fail because we have not configured any routing information. Now we'll see manual static routing. We'll go here, config, routing is true, so we'll go to static and then so we'll have to configure 3 parts for the 3 different routers.
First we are going for this network. So this is the network. So what is the network name? So network name is 192.168.12.0. Network ID is always 0. Okay, .0. So .0 is the network address. Okay. So for this network network ID is 192.168.12.0 and this one is
192.168.12.0, 192.168.11.0, 192.168.10.0.
So in network we need 168.12.0. Okay. And subject class here automatically will not come. We need to enter 255.255.255.0. And now here this is the process here we need to concentrate on the next hop. So next hop is suppose if you are
So the next hop over here will be from here. If you're over here, so the next hop will be this, and after that the hop will be this, and over here the address 10.0.0. So this is 10.0.0.2. We have to just click on add and एक चीज़ आपको add होगा.
is the command.
And CLI के लिए you have the command over
This
here.
is the network address, default mask, and then next hop. This is
Now for the middle one we'll have,
11.
for this one we'll have this
11.0, subject
will
mask
be
will be same, and next hop will also
11.
same. Next hop will also not change.
And the next hop will also be the same, this will also be the same. Now add,
Sorry, that.
then you get this.
And now one more network is there. This is the
But now there is one more network, that is
so for that network also we need to configure.
this network. तो यहाँ पर it is
20.0.0.0. So here we just change the complete address here because
this is 20.0.0.0 and this is 255.0.0.0. One second. And next hop will be same only, that is this one. 20.0.0 is this one. And now we'll add it. And the same we'll do for this router. So for this router, network will be this, but next hop will be this. For this one, network will be this, and next hop will be this. So first and third are the same, so we'll cross this one. And we'll come to this.
So here we can write it 192.1.8.0.
255.255.255, and next hop is it is 20.0.0.1, and we'll add this. The second one will be the middle one. Is for the middle one it is 11, and subnet mask is same, next hop is same, we'll just add it. And then you will have finally for this one, that is 10.0.0.0, 10.0.0.0, and this is 255.0.0.0. Next hop will be same, and we'll add it. So now these three are completed for the third router. So for this routing, we can either have the option to route it here or route it here. So router 2 will go to config.
This is the network ID and next hop will be this one. So network ID
192.168.192.
And next hop will be 10.0.0.1. Okay. And for this network, this side network, from this network you can this is the network and this is the next hop. So here we can change it from 10 in place of 8 just like 12.
For the next, that is the third router, तो ये जो लिखे है वो इसके लिए है. अब इसके लिए it is 12 and 10.0.0, 20.0.0.2, and we'll just add it. Now routing configuration is finally over, and now we can try sending a packet from here. Okay, wait a second. To this, here to here, and it is in progress. Feed.
Okay. Now from this network to this network, I want to send this one. Now see, this person may be fail, but it will take some time to configure, but it will be successful.
मेरा तो फेल ही हो रहा है यार.
Assignment.
So for first router, this is the routes.
So lazy.
For our second router. We just added a small mistake. This should be 10.0.0.1. And for the third one, we have
So we'll give one
this.
assignment, okay? 2-3 questions will give. But condition is you need to submit and we get assignment.
This is the fourth.
Don't copy and paste from ChatGPT and
Now if you try to send a packet from Manlo here to here, so we have a success. Now we'll see how do we do the dynamic routing. For that we removed all the static जो भी था. So we'll go here. RIP. So we'll type 192.1. तो दिस इज़ वन नेटवर्क जिसमें हमारे पास थर्ड राउटर जुड़ा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट इज 20.0.0.0. So that's it. So now what we have, this router has two networks, that is 192.168.12.0 and 20.0.0.0, that is the other network. So we've added all those. Then we'll normally close this. Now we'll go to this router RIP. यहाँ पर भी हम ऐड कर देते हैं. It is connected to 3 networks. So that is 20.0.0.0 and we have 10.0.0.0 and 192.1 and here. Now we'll close this, and the same is for router 1 RIP. So it is connected to 2 networks. Add and 192.10.0. So we've added these 2 networks. So this is a dynamic routing, that is RIP, where we do not need to put any next hop. And now if we try to send a message from here to here, we'll see it's a success. And again if we try to send a message from here to here, it failed, but it should be successful. It might fail for the first time, but see, it's a success now.